We have a tremendously rich archaeological record here at the laboratory, and it requires us to have archaeologists on staff to manage these resources, protect the resources, and to really educate the laboratory on the significance of the resources for the nation. It's part of the nation's history. And for our Pueblo neighbors who see these lands as their ancestral lands and these sites as their ancestral sites. And so we have a trustee responsibility to protect these archaeological resources, and we have legal requirements to protect these archaeological resources. Archaeologists played a key role in passing the Historic Preservation Act because archaeologists saw it as an opportunity to focus the attention of the country on the incredible archaeological resources that exist in the United States. Pajarito Plateau is an example of just an incredibly rich archaeological area. Nakamu Pueblo is one of the few remaining pueblos that has the original standing walls. We need to think about how we're going to preserve a site of this caliber, which is really a national resource because it is so rare to have a site in this condition. And that raises the whole issue of how you balance resource management with the mission of the laboratory. We built one of the national asset facilities here at the laboratory, and one of the issues was, did the operations at this facility, which uses high explosives for certain kinds of experiments, have an impact on the condition of Nakamu? So we did an intensive study of the impacts of both operations at the facility and sort of the ambient conditions and freeze-thaw effects of this site being exposed to the elements. We documented every stone and every wall. There are some architectural features that we were tracking annually. And at the end of the study, we pretty conclusively established that the elements were having a much larger impact on the site than any operations at the laboratory did. If we are judicious in how we understand and interpret the archaeological record and are a little flexible in the way we execute the mission at the laboratory, sort of both ends, both goals can be met. We can have a vibrant preservation program, and we can also have a vibrant research laboratory that executes the mission of national security for the country.